We're live in vivo, as I love to say. Welcome to Stay Active with Coach Julio. Every Wednesday at 1 p.m., I bring you a 15-minute body sculpting workout. And who is it for? It's for anyone looking to break a fitness plateau, new to fitness, or if you're looking to complement your current home and cardio routine, Coach Julio got you covered. And we always finish with a 10x5 challenge. You don't want to miss it. So for today's menu, my friend, we will be doing a mini band, as you can see, combined with dumbbell workout, body sculpting workout. We're going to do 5 exercises. My counting might be off. I believe it's 5. So we're going to first start by warming up the glutes. We're going to do mini band or monster band hops, followed by skaters. Your quads, your glutes, your bum, it's going to be on fuego. Right after that, we're going to take these guys off and we're going to do a low squat hold with bicep curl. We're going to get these guys, get you ready for spring while getting the inner thighs. It's an isometric exercise. If you've been watching, you know I love to combine isometrics with dynamic exercises. Then we're going to journey to a split squat with a rack and overhead press so we can get the shoulders and your core. Then we're going to end with a Coach Julio special exercise. It's going to be a floor course exercise for your bum with the dumbbell and the mini band. It's going to be combined. So I know you're ready to get rolling. Your rep schemes, exercise instructions. It's either going to be 8 reps, 10 reps, or 12 reps. 3 rounds, and we always finish with a 10x5 challenge. You don't want to go to 10 reps unless you finish 8 reps for 3 rounds and the 10x5 challenge. So let's begin. So monster hops are low impact exercise. My feet are together, your legs are spring, so I'm going to get going. I'm choosing 8 reps. So 1, 2, stop, squat. 1, 2, stop, squat. That's 1. 1, 2, stop, squat. As I'm doing this, I'm staying very low. I'm never standing. 3. What I care about 4, I don't care about how high you go. You do more about distance. See what I'm saying? 7 and 8. So right after that, I go into my skaters. So I get low, like our interest rates. That's a timeless joke that I've been doing for years. And then I extend one leg, touch my heel and bring it back. That's 1 out of 8. You can add your arms to it. 2. Right, 3, stay low. I'll show you the side view. 4, this is just one side. 5, I'll show you this way. Boom. 6, heel touches, boom. All right, next exercise is a low squat. Hold, I drop, and I do bicep curls. Since I chose 8 reps, I do 8 curls. 2, 3, 4. So here's my rack. Here's my split squat. I'll show you a side view after I do a couple. I drop, up, press overhead, drop, up. I'll show you guys a side view, 2 out of 8. That was my rep scheme. I drop, my knee doesn't touch the floor. 3, coach tip. When you press overhead, your arms are either lined up or behind your ears. So I'm probably wrong. 6, inhale as you go down, exhale on top. 7, wrong with my count, that is. 8. Cool, now we do the opposite side. My body sculpting workouts slightly different than other videos. Why? Because I like to educate while you're working out. It's good for you to know why and not just how to do it. Why are you doing it? And what not to feel for. So where you should never feel this is your low back or your knees. I'm going to take this opportunity to remind everyone, if you like these workouts, you can support Coach Julio. How can you support Coach Julio? Just subscribe, enable the notification button, and that would allow me to continue these free weekly workouts. It's that simple. Share with your friends and family. Sharing is caring. The closer the band is to your hips, the easier it is. But you do not want it to be easy. You want it to be safe and challenging. So above your knees, or you can go mid-thigh to change the intensity. So here's part 1. If you see my other videos, you know we've done clams. So this is a basic clam. That's not what we're going to do. This is a basic side plank clam. My hips are up. That's not what we're going to do. I extend my leg. And then we're gonna roll. Well, I roll for 8. Oh man, 8. Pretty transparent. 7, 6. Keep that leg up. 5, 4. I got a surprise for you. 3, 2, 1. Since I have 8 reps, then I hold it for 8 seconds. There's a little spirit fingers, jazz hands, whatever works. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 words. Embrace the shake. If you know how to say that in another language, possibly German, Spanglish, French, post it in the comments. I would love to see it. 10 by 5 challenges. 10 low impact. Here's the word. Wide, super wide jump squats. That was sweat. Followed by 10-second isometric hold. So we'll begin. 10 reps, 5 rounds. I got it in me. So you join me? 1.